Your subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily open some storage settings in your Windows 10. So if you want to see what type of documents are taking most of your memory. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find your system, and in the system you need to find your storage. So here you can see your storage, so just tap on it and just wait until it will analyze all of your memory, what type of documents take most of your memory, and you will see here different types of files and how much it takes from your memory for this file. So just wait until it will analyze. So here you can see that it's finished, and also you can see that most it takes for system and reserved, some for apps and games, and for temporary files about 1.5 gigabytes. So we also need to clean our temporary files because it really takes a lot of your memory. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.